Hi, I'm Joe and welcome to Tool Talk. Right here we have the 4100 saw. This is one of the most popular portable table saws in the market. The saw has changed recently from a 4109 to a 4110, and I'm going to tell you today exactly the differences between the two saws. The first change to the table saw is that Bosch is now including a 24-tooth blade with the saw versus the previous saw model that included the 48-tooth. The reason for the 24-tooth is that most contractors are using this for ripping applications, and they felt that, and as you know, the 24-tooth is better for ripping. Another change that they've made to this is the guard center right here. Previously this was metal, and now they've changed to nylon. The reason for that is cutting weight on the saw. So that's all for the saw right here, except for some paint changes. The saw's pretty much stayed the same. Now, the biggest change that comes to this saw is the stand. Bosch has replaced the previous stand with the GTA 47W. The GTA 47W is 2 inches shorter than the previous model. Now you're wondering why they cut 2 inches off. The primary reason for doing that was to cut weight on the saw when you're using it on the job site. As most people know, these rolling stands are quite a bit heavier than your typical scissor stand that you set up on a job site, but they're much more portable. So Bosch said, we need to find a way to cut some weight on this saw to make it a little bit easier on the job site to roll it on and off of a truck if you want to keep it secured to the stand. So they redesigned the stand and they made it 2 inches shorter. Well, there you have it. These are the changes that Bosch made to the 4100 table saw. If you have any other questions, visit toolsplus.com or stop by our Waterbury retail store.